Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone. All-ankle ultra tough, world Guinness record holder, IP69K water resistant. Introducing our biggest battery yet, 8,300 million hours, 108 megapixel lossless capture camera with OIS, AI photo editing. Honor X9D, the unbreakable AI smartphone.
It's 50 points for Mamelodi Sundowns, 2 points above Orlando Pirates on top of Betway Premiership. Emveko sibethela game Marumo Gallants Loftus Stadium ngamanqaku amathathu kwelinye, collecting 3 points. Mamelodi Sundowns Tebogo Mokoena coming in the second half to score a brace. Uvuliwe amasango namhlanje the own goal Ndiandi scored an own goal, but there was a penalty midway through the first half. Dabayithola Ndlondo scoring, but there had to be a winner namhlanje, and that winner was Mamelodi Sundowns. Bobzin, mandubulisa umhlaba besubulisa babe nomdlalo, right?
Right, Shane, unjani mfethu?
I'm okay.
I'm okay. Right, ngani wami. Itumbulise uchasto lapha, ngibulise uMr Nkewu.
Yeah.
Ngibambutso ngibambene no Junior Brian. Yeah.
Nasingene kuyo mhlaba umdlalo namhlanje, ubone njani?
Yeah, ithi Shane nje into engijabulisayo ukuthi phambi kwale camera kume abo position 1. Arsenal position 1, Mamelodi Sundowns position 1. I think we happy ngalowo Shane. Ukuthi Arsenal position 1, Sundowns position 1.
So you're happy to associate your club with Arsenal?
No. I'm trying to say.
No. I'm asking. No, I'm asking Bobo. Are you happy to associate your club with Arsenal? Yes or no?
Shane, ngicela ungilalele.
Okay, no.
Ngithi mina Arsenal position 1.
Mhlabam,
Sundowns position.
are you happy to associate your club with Arsenal?
I know. Arsenal.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Shane ngonami. Yeah, ithi ngibongise qembu leMamelodi Sundowns Shane.
Yeah.
Coach Cardoso, the technical team, the players, I think they worked very hard today with batholela ama results. It was not an easy game Shane today. If ungabheka team efana neMarumo Gallants banikeze Sundowns I tough match. Uma ungabheka it was not easy for Sundowns ukuthi ingazithola icollecte lama point eLoftus, even though was ukuthi kuseSlaughterhouse, but Marumo Gallants, I think they fought Shane. They fought until Sundowns iqedelela ngale game. Uma ungathi uyayibheka iMarumo Gallants Shane, ngiyacabanga ukuthi game plan yabo for me be right kakhulu, because you know ukuthi angeke ukwazi ukudominate iMamelodi Sundowns ngeball position. Kumele nje wena ube discipline, then ukwazi ukuthi anginikeze Sundowns leso space ukuthi ukwazi ukudlala. Kumele ngibambe ngecounter attack. So ngibona iMarumo Gallants bebakwenza lokho, especially from good defense yabo. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi bekunama mistake engiwabona ngathi akhona kule defense, especially first half. La khona iSundowns ithola ama chances. Uma ungathi uyayibheka iSundowns amabhola wayo abo Leon bebasha direct kuWashington Arubi. Bekungasi mhlambe kube bekungekho difficult for uArubi ukwenza lawo ma save, because always amabhola yabo ungabheka nama header wonke aya direct ku goalkeeper, but give credit ku Arubi. I think man of the match. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi for positioning yakhe ukuthi akwazi lamabhola ukumthola kule position, it's something good ayenzile ugoalkeeper uArubi. So ngicabanga ukuthi lapha kule center back yabo uma ungabheka umdlali uNdlovu uSkhosi uMarvin Skhosana nale pairing yakhe bebanikeza iSundowns spaces enough sokuthi ukwazi ukudlala. Lama free header ngiwabone lapha nangendlela uLeon ngimbone athola lawo ma chances ngakhona kulapha kulama second ball. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi ile mistake ebekade bayenza, because ungabheka uNcube ubheka uNtiyantiya bekubantu abadefender ngabo ngapha kulama ukuthi no asikade abadlali abafana nabo Matthews ukuthi bangazi bazoletha lawo ma cross, but lapha kathi uSkhosi I think first half usebenze kanzima lapha, because le pairing yabo mangabheka bebangapheri kahle Shane, bebavula distance kakhulu la khona uLeon akhona ukurunela kulawo ma space akwazi ukuthola lawo mabhola. So uthi ubheka imidfield yabo Edgar Manaka badlale kakhulu, because bebangayivumi iSundowns ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi idlale lama forward pass, at least babe quick, beba make sure ukuthi abo Risino abadlalela ama back pass always abadlala ama back pass so bakwazi ukuthi bacover yonke nje lento iSundowns ifuna ukuyenza in the middle of the park. So for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi iSundowns isebenze kanzima because lamajita bazamile shini for me uma ungabheka bazamile and ucoach wenzeni uletha ngibona ubeka abadlali abafana nabo Bands ubeke omunye umdlali usithole ebenchini abompambaniso basebenchini into ebekafuna ukuyenza ukuthi i-left back yabo uMabuza i-left winger uMabuza nale right winger yabo I think ubani lentwana le sorry ukunene yes thanks Mr Nkewu ukunene ngapha ka right bekubadlali bafuna ukubamba iSundowns ngale attack because uNdlondo bekadlala emuva kwaka Matthew uMatthew uye umuntu okuphi olapha up front so uNdlondo wenzani uza ngapha uzojoina lo yamdlali up front because uNdlondo une speed and une skill ngibona yenza kahle kakhulu uNdlondo ngiyacabanga ukuthi uyimistile iSundowns unama chances awatholile la bengicabanga ukuthi beyangayithola ibrace unfortunately akazange akwazi ukuconverta lawo ma chance chain
xa ujukela lapha because benke nabuza lo mbuzo ku junior second half there were late subs I think isub yokuqala yeMarumo Gallants came in the 80th minute namhlanje and by then they were already trailing by 2-1 then you had Bompambaniso who said Usithole was also ngaphandle there was also uBans kangi surprise lo nto ukuthi coach what is happening
mina Shane ngibona afaka I think uKamhelo Sithole noDlulu I think uDlulu uma amletha lapho uThapelo uDlulu bekafuna ispeed uma letho Sithole bekafuna ispeed because uyazi ukuthi manje Sundowns into ezabafuna ukuyenza ukuthi ba control i-ball position but yena ngobe azi ukuthi Sundowns izofuna ukumanage leya game angiletha abadlali abane speed bazokwazi ukujoin abani uDlondlo up front uma ngabe mthambe siwin i-ball position because uThapelo une speed naye uSithole une speed so kunomdlali engicabanga ukuthi bekumele amlethile umpambaniso because you know ukuthi umpambaniso une speed and futhi uyakwazi ukuwina ama foul ufana noNdlondlo so angazi ukuthi ucoach uma ngabe aletha uThapelo noSithole beka sure ukuthi labadlali bazokwazi ukuthi Sundowns uma ngabe mhlambe ifuna ukubanikeza leyo chance yokuthi bangababamba ngale speed kungenzeka something because sibonile after iSundowns isalida ngale 2-1 akhona ama chances engicabanga ukuthi bawatholile njengalelo la kaDlondlo ulibonile ukuthi bekumele ascoreile yaba 2-2 but uyabona ukuthi akazange icomposure imshayile shini because he was working very hard kumele abuye azo defend uNdlondlo kumele abuye attack so sometimes uma usebenza kanzima kubanzima it's rare ukuthola labo badlali abafana nabo Tebza ukuthi hamba iwin iball ehafini opponent aphinde abe naleso speed aphinde abe naleyo energy yokuthi ayitholakala boxing the opponent after aqeda ukuwina lela bhola ehafini yakhe you understand so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ucoach bekazama lento le Shane ukuletha labo badlali azama ukuthi alethe lo speed ukuthi bawazi ukuthi bangathola mhlambe igoal number 2
in the absence of Aubrey Modiba Khuliso Mudau right back Jaden Adams but futhi ngezi two wing backs Aubrey and Khuliso in came uBasadin and also Umdunyela on the right hand side babone njani namhlanje
no amajita adlala kahle kakhulu Shane kulawa ama wing back ngiyacabanga ukuthi even though bangakunikezanga more ku attack but khumbula ukuthi game time yabashaya for me ngiyacabanga ukuthi uBasading ayehlisa ukwenza ama mistake the more wehlisa ukwenza ama mistake as a left back uzokwazi ukuthi wenze umsebenzi wakho primary job ukuthi udefend ngiyacabanga uBasading udlale kahle kakhulu Shane ubheka uMdunyela ukuphuma kwaMdunyela is not like bekangenzi kahle ngendlela ngembone yakhona ucoach bese kazama ukuletha attack ukuthi let me add i-attack more ngikwazi ukudefenda nga3 athatha uJohannes amikise ka right alethe uCupido then asale ngoBasading ngapha so that kube no-1 between abo Alend ukuthi adrope kancane azo assist le rest defense but mina ngibone isub yakhe yaka Leon bengicabanga ukuthi uzoya ngo Leon no Reynas adonsa uMatthews ngaphandle but akazanga kwenze lokho iSundowns yathola isecond goal so Shane iSundowns idlala kahle kakhulu Shane uma ungathi uyayibheka nama sub wakhe uCoach Cardoso amsebenzele kakhulu uma ungabheka ukuletha koTebza kuletha kaZwani kumanager le game Saleng he did very well but le super sub yaka Tebza that guy Shane angazi ukuthi yazi unalento yokuthi no sayifuna uya understand bheka the way intercept engakhona lela ball ngicela ukutshela ngalo interceptor lapha la khona ukunene ashaya skill bayul interceptor but uTebza akwazi ukuranela into the box la ilomthola khona lela bhola uSells amnikeza lona but ukora Shane akuna ukuthi ukore ngani ngisho nangebhonzi Shane as long as uzokwazi ukuthi egcineni ibhola lifike nethini so give credit man kubadlali abafana nabo Tebza man ukubuya from the bench ufike wenza umehluko ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukubuya kwabo ebenchini bafike benza lama changes yilento esibiza i-depth because ngibone i-understanding yakho uTebza kunala khona bekumele ayenze foul la khona aphambi i-opponent iphambi kwakhe but uyambona ukuthi ufuna ukufaka inyawo but akhumbula ukuthi okay if ngizothola lelo card ngisuspended ku game elandelayo ye-Durban City but wazama ukuthi ayekelwe yamdlali so ngiyacabanga ukuthi ukukhula so ngikhulumile before lama game azile manje ngithi the more uthola ama unnecessary yellow card Shane kuzokucost ekugcineni uyabona lama suspension wakakhuliso no Aubrey lucky because in high depth Mamelodi Sundowns ukubuya kwakamdunyela I think kuba booste kakhulu because bozozibuza ukuthi ubani ozodlala obvious ukuthi uJohannesburg azoya ngale because umdlalo ofana noMrena uinjured Shane so yeah let's give credit man kuMamelodi Sundowns ukuthi bakwazi ukucollect the maximum point eSlaughterhouse Shane.
Thank you so much, Bobzin. Mdlalo weBetway Premiership between Mamelodi Sundowns and Marumo Gallants Loftus Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 3, Marumo Gallants 1. Thank you so much for watching Itiski TV.
Hola Bafethu, this is Junior Kanye. Please subscribe to Itiski TV.
This is Bongane Benedict Villagazi, they call me so. Niyazi Bafethu, I'm a coach for life. They are back in winning ways. Please, I tell you to subscribe to Itiski TV.